Hi guys, welcome back to We Fix Technology. Today we're gonna fix a little situation in WooCommerce. As you know, in WooCommerce we do have the option add text classes. So for an Indian specific client had a situation they wanted to add a GST, right? So in case of GST, if you are selling in the same state, the tax gets break into two different classes: CGST central and SGST for a state. So if the percentage is like 12%, it's gonna break into two different parts: 6%, 6%. And other than other states from the home GST registered, if you are selling all over India, it's gonna be flat 12% or whatever percent. It won't break in two parts, and the name of the tax is gonna be IGST. So let me repeat. If the user is the GST registered in Uttar Pradesh, as you can see that, if somebody trying to make a purchase from UP, then it'll apply two taxes: CGST 50%, SGST 50%. And if somebody trying to make a purchase from outside Uttar Pradesh, what will happen? It's gonna break into one tax flat. That tax, whatever it could be, 9%, 12%, 18%, or 28%. And the name of the tax going to be IGST, right? Let me tell you how I achieved it. So first of all, you're going to have to log in into the dashboard of the website and go to the WooCommerce and general settings. As you click on settings, it's going to bring you to the general page. This is a local project working a bit slow, so ignore the performance as of now. Okay, as you can see that you have to under WooCommerce, then general settings, you have to click on check enable text and calculation and click on save changes. What will happen? This will make a new tab on the top called text. If I click on it, here there could be some free classes, pre-built classes like 0% tax or whatever. Let's figure out what it has. Now, if you see that, whatever you type here, let me remove that. Whatever you type here, it will automatically create the pages here. So give the name of the text so you get it. You understand that. For instance, I took 18%, 28%, 5%, 9%, and I could take one more. Let me give 12%, right? So they could be used accordingly. While creating the product, user would have option, this product belongs to that GST class, right? Now, just type the name and scroll it down, see the settings, and click on save changes. As you click on save changes, we're going to expect one more row here by the name of 12% GST. As of now, it was not there before. Now, if you see that 12% GST rates, you click on it, whatever is the class. Then let's create from scratch just to get you the knowledge. I'm gonna say country code gonna be IN, the state code, whatever is your home GST registered. If client took the GST from Uttar Pradesh, that's gonna be the home page, home uh, state. My bad. So my client has the home state is UP. They registered their GST in UP. That's all we need. Don't put anything in city or whatever. And we are adding 12%. So we're going to break into two different parts. 6%. The name of the text going to be CGST. That's state. Then we're going to add one more row and I'll add UP again. And here we're going to add 6% and I'm going to make SGST. That's one is for central, one is for state, both 50% taxes, right? And priority gonna be two for this one. Keep in mind, this is first, this is second. Then add one more final row, country code India IN, and don't put anything in this one. Keep it blank. And in text class, add 12%. So if anybody from outside the Uttar Pradesh, gonna be 12%, and the name of text class gonna be IGST, right? Just one tweak, set priority to here, and take a look over. 6% UP and 12% outside that Uttar Pradesh, and priority 1, 2, 2, right? click on save changes. This gets saved. Now we can use this class on any product. For instance, I'm going to go to any product. Let me open any simple product. If you guys get some situation, feel free comment and I'll try to help you out. This is working a little slow, my bad. I'm working on this local environment. Okay. Now, if you see that, we should have an option somewhere. Uh, yes. If you see the general below the price, you see this taxable or none. I'm going to click on taxable, and from here you can choose the tax class. Whatever we added there in the settings, it also bring all the names here. So I'm going to choose 12% for this product and click on update. The job is done. Let's make a final round testing if it's working or not, right? So let it get saved first. Then I'm going to open in a different browser. Perfect. Let's open into the in another browser. Let me remove the existing cart. Perfect. So you see that I'm going to choose quantity 1000. I used a different plugin for that. Now add to cart. As soon we go to the cart, let's go to the checkout. And let me fill some dummy details here. Now, if you see that, since I choose the state Uttar Pradesh, it is CGST and SGST, right? Because that's the home state. Let me change, and it's breaking 6% for CGST, 6% for SGST. If I change it to, let's say, Delhi or any different state, this becomes 12% IGST, right? So this is how you can achieve it. And if you see a problem, comment me, guys. If I'm giving you any value, please kindly subscribe. And I would highly encourage you if you can like the video as well. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.